Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. As the automotive world looks to 2025, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class has been recognized as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade highlights the C-Class's exceptional blend of elegance, advanced technology, and performance, making it a standout choice in the competitive luxury compact segment. The latest C-Class continues to impress with its refined design, high-tech features, and dynamic driving experience. Sophisticated design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class exemplifies sophistication with its modern and sleek design. Its sharp lines, distinctive Panamericana grille, and sleek LED headlights contribute to a bold and commanding presence on the road. The refined silhouette, combined with the car's aerodynamic enhancements, emphasizes both style and performance. Inside, the C-Class offers a luxurious and meticulously crafted cabin. The use of premium materials such as high-quality leather, genuine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accentuates the vehicle's upscale character. The front seats are designed for optimal comfort and support, featuring multiple adjustments and heating functions. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 C-Class is equipped with the latest technology to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 12.3-inch central touchscreen that runs Mercedes MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system. This system offers intuitive controls and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The C-Class also includes advanced features such as a voice-activated assistant, augmented reality navigation, and over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the vehicle remains at the forefront of technological innovation. The optional Burmester surround sound system provides a premium audio experience, further enhancing the driving ambience. Performance and handling. The 2024 C-Class delivers a balanced and engaging driving experience. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides smooth acceleration and responsive performance, making it well-suited for both city driving and long highway trips. For those seeking additional performance, the C-Class offers the AMG C43 variant, which features a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine producing 402 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. The AMG tuned suspension and performance enhancements deliver a dynamic and thrilling driving experience, with precise handling and exceptional agility. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2024 C-Class, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer driving experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class has made a significant impact in the luxury small car market, praised for its blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its competitive pricing and range of features make it an attractive option for buyers seeking a premium compact car. Available at Mercedes-Benz dealerships nationwide, the C-Class continues to appeal to a broad range of luxury car enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect combination of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. With its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and engaging driving experience, the C-Class sets a high standard in the luxury compact segment, meeting the expectations of today's discerning drivers.